What's up, guys? It's Doug Fee. I'm over here at Craig and Landreth Cars in Louisville, Kentucky today, and we're going to go over the Uconnect 4C from the Chrysler family. So that's Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Maserati, a bunch of different brands. But anyway, we're going to go over it real quick, and we'll see.
So guys, we've got the Uconnect 4C here. You can see I can turn the screen on or off with this button here. So if you didn't want to see it at late at night, the first screen we're going to see is going to be the radio, and you've got your AM, your FM, and then your SXM, which is your Sirius satellite. So that's a subscriber service. If you choose to go that route, you can. Now we can go down here. You can search through the different satellite channels, the presets, etc. Media is going to be obviously your USBs or your auxiliaries or your Bluetooth, so you can connect your device. This vehicle does have Apple Carplay, and it also has, I guess, Droid's version of that, which I can't think of the name of it right now. But all you have to do to initiate the Apple CarPlay is just to plug in to the USB. So if you just go under your console in your car or wherever your USB is, plug your phone charger in there, and then it'll hook right up to Apple CarPlay. This one has the climate controls, so you can adjust there, but obviously you can adjust there as well. But if you wanted to go to your different apps, which it has a bunch of really cool apps. I mean, I personally like the performance pages, but if you don't have a performance car, there's not going to be performance pages. So if you're just driving, you know, a regular Patriot or, you know, a Jeep Compass or something of that nature, it may not have a performance page. So let's just go back out, and we can go over a little bit. There's your apps manager, your settings, your media, your go activate services, travel link, which helps a lot of people. Now this one is just your controls in general. So you've got your heated seats, 2 stages, your vented seats, your heated steering wheels, mirror dimmer. Navigation. So where to? Let's go here. You've got points of interest is probably my favorite because you can kind of really sum up where you're going. Do I need a hotel? Boom, there's all the hotels in my area. If I need a restaurant, there's all the restaurants that are around here. Now you could sort that by different styles, whether you wanted pizza or Italian versus Mexican versus, you know, whatever the case may be, steakhouse, fine dining, etc. This is basically gas stations, guys. So if I was running low on fuel, I could easily click that. It's going to show me all of my points of interest around there. There's rest areas. You just need a bank or an ATM. But really easy to use on that where to. Now, obviously, you can type in the addresses if you choose. If you've got an address, spell city, spell street. And as you go through that process, it'll, as you spell them out, it'll start to just tell you which ones work for your spelling. There's some more recent destinations. Here's some favorites. So you might add a favorite such as home, work, ballpark, wherever, somewhere you come from quite a bit, or go to and from. Here's some different trips. You can create a trip. So if you were going, you know, brewery hopping or stadium hopping or something of that nature. Intersection. So if you only knew the intersection, you could do that. And then point on map. So, and then you can drill this out and in just like you would an iPad or anything of that nature. So really, really, really simple to use system if you ask me. Let's go here. Obviously, if you hit home and you had it programmed in, it would just take you straight home. So no matter where you were, you would just automatically type in that address. Work would be the same. City center, and you could type in your city center. There's closest cities, my phone number, trails. So if you were a Jeep guy, you could find some trails maybe. And then that's all on the nav. And then the Bluetooth is pretty easy. It's pretty simple. You just hit yes, and then on your phone you'll go to your settings, which is just your little gearbox. You'll turn on your Bluetooth. You'll look for the Uconnect, which is the vehicle device name. You'll click on that on your phone, and then you will type in the 9394 PIN number. Now the PIN numbers will change every time, but once you program one phone to the car, that's all you'll need to do it. It'll only need to happen one time, and you won't have to worry about it ever again. And that's pretty much the phone system. I mean, I can't hook it up and record at the same time, but you could see it would save all your contacts. And then when you go to voice commands, you could say dial home or dial Nancy or whatever the case may be. But love this Uconnect 4C system. Really great system. You can see, I mean, and once again, it's got just a little bit of everything, and it's all touchscreen. It's all easy to use. It's not janky or anything. You can scroll right through it. But all in all, just a great system. And then let's see. Let's go home. Let's see where the home was for this person. Oh, yeah, there it is. So we're gonna go. See you guys later.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Have a great afternoon, and thank you for watching.